What's up, guys? It's Manny here, and I'm with my cousin
Jay.
But we call him Jay Dino. You know what I'm saying? So me and Jay, we started recently getting into BB Simon belts with Simon Simmons.
Is it? I thought it was Simmons. Is it Simmons?
It's Simmons. Simon. Simmons. Hold up. Hold up. So me and Jay recently just started getting into BB Simon. I got a BB Simon belt about maybe like almost a year and a month ago now. I'll put a screenshot of my purchase on there with the date. Get the it shook right when I was talking. Damn. I made a BB Simon purchase about a year and a month ago off a third-party app. So it wasn't off of BB Simon directly. So I didn't have like a legit unboxing video because it didn't come with like the actual packaging and all that good stuff. It was just the belt itself. But here is the belt that I purchased from the third-party app. It is a fully loaded, I believe it is pronounced Lavison belt. I wasn't able to find it on the website just because the website has like
54 pages of belts.
Like 54 pages of belts. But here is the first belt that I bought. Once I did buy this belt, he did like it. The only thing he didn't like about it was the extra rhinestones here on the crystals on the side. He likes it being a little bit more basic.
Yeah,
not as flashy. But yeah, I got it for a really good price. I do want to just say that when I did first buy this belt, that I did go to YouTube and try to look up BB Simon videos to see if anybody, you know, had like a unboxing video or review video, just to see if there was like a community of people that had, you know, BB belts, just to see what they thought of it, just because we thought it was pretty dope. There was no videos at all, besides probably one video that was posted probably a few days after I got my BB belt. But I never did that unboxing video, like I said, just because I didn't have the packaging or anything like that. So here is the box right here. I have seen that some packaging has BB Simon wrapping
tape.
Wrapping tape. Yeah. This didn't come with it. His box is a little bit messed up.
The UPS man want to play kickball with my box.
Jay got a pink tin in his box. Go ahead and open mine. Woo!
Well, my straight leather.
Woo! Smells like a farm in here now. Smells like we got some cows.
Some dead cows.
Alrighty, so this is there's nothing else in the box. It was just the tin can in the box. And here is my tin can. I have a green one. It's like a cucumber green. A Mexico green, right?
Yeah.
Is it like a Mexico green?
Mexico green.
Right?
Yeah.
It did come with bubble wrap inside the tin can, and just regular like tissue paper. It also came with the tag here. The tag, BB Simon tag, made in USA. Me and Jay actually went ahead and coordinated buying these belts together. He bought them on a Saturday and I bought them on a Sunday. He was going to get the
black one.
The black, and I was going to get the white, as you can see here. Pretty dope. If you want to know about the shipping times, are you on the 3rd and I'm on the 4th?
Yeah.
Okay. I went ahead and placed my order on the 4th of April, and he placed it on the 3rd of April, that Saturday and that Sunday. We both went ahead and got a text message, I think was on that Monday.
Yeah.
The following Monday, asking about our pant size. And we didn't get a response on that text. They sent that text letting us know if we sag or not. And our pant size, not the belt size you wear, but your actual pant size.
Gay!
But we got that text on Monday. Crazy thing though, I don't know if you want to go ahead and say it.
A week and like 2 days?
Like a week and 2 days, week 3 days.
Yeah, like I think like a week. It was like exactly a week. I had they had gave me the shipping information, and then when I went to go click on the tracking number, it was like it will be out for delivery the following day. So it was like a week and a day that it took to get here.
You got it on the 13th, right?
Yeah, the 13th.
So if you ordered on the 3rd and you got it on the 13th, that's about that's like 9 business days. Yeah, like 9 business days. His got here really quickly. Mine only got here on the 23rd of April. So that's about 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks out. It did take a while. And also my track information, I didn't get that text until they shipped out the actual item, right? But obviously, as you can see, we are together. We live in the same city. As you can see, the belts are pretty similar. It's just black and white. His is black and mine is white.
This has like a glossy finish to it though, and this is like more matte. I don't know if the camera will pick it up.
Yeah.
No, I think it's gonna show like glossy because of the ring light. But
let me see. Yeah, so his is like a matte finish, which is gonna be like kind of like the fin. Let me take this. Let me go ahead and take the belt off.
Your boy gave me flashbacks.
All right. So it's gonna be like this kind of material. Okay, this is shiny. It's showing shiny too. This is just like a matte leather.
Yeah.
It's not glossy as this one. This is real glossy. I don't know.
It has like a gloss.
Can you see? No, I don't know if you can pick it up.
I think the ring light.
The ring light is messing it up.
Yeah, it shows up. It shows all three of them as glossy.
Yeah, but this is like a real glossy leather, and these are just a regular matte leather. So if you are going to purchase this belt, first thing I do want to say is that your shipping and your billing has to be the same address, right? Yeah. And also, you have to sign for the package. And that is no joke. Let me tell you why it's no joke. I am on bed rest because if you have seen my YouTube channel, my previous video, I injured myself and I can't walk without crutches right now. So I'm not working. I was in my room all day waiting for the UPS guy to come on that Friday the 23rd when they let me know that it was out for delivery. Cool. UPS guy came. I didn't hear any knocking or anything like that. He came at 3:13. At like 3:15, 3:16, I came downstairs and I checked just to see
if it was outside.
If the package was sitting outside or something like that. I opened my door to a surprise. To the slip, the notice, the info notice slip, letting me know that they missed me. They missed the attempt, that I wasn't home or something like that. They didn't knock on my door. I know because I would have heard it. I got pretty angry with that, so I did go ahead and call UPS. And the UPS did let me know that they can actually get my package sent to the hub, which is, I guess, like the sorting center of, I guess, like the county or whatever. They did send it to the hub, and they let me know that I can pick it up there. And obviously, since I do have it in hand now. Today's Saturday, the day after the Friday, the 20th. So today's the 24th. Obviously, I do have it in hand now, so I did go pick it up. In case somebody does miss their package, you can actually call UPS and go get it the same day. Yeah. Especially since UPS doesn't ship on Saturday and Sundays. You know, I would have to wait until Monday, and I didn't.
You don't come on. Yeah, nobody likes waiting.
No, and you already waiting.
3 weeks.
Yeah, 3-4 weeks for the BB, to come in the mail. I'm just happy that I have it in hand here. Let's just show a little bit more in detail the belt and through it a little bit. And what size did you get yours, Jay?
38.
You got a 38. What pant size do you wear?
34.
He wears like a 34 in pant size. What about like regular belt size? What the fuck?
Regular belt size, I get like a... I feel like these aren't 32? Like regular belts. No, I get a 34, but so like I usually, when I get a 34, I have to go to like the last hole. So I kind of like having more room. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I guess it's just down to how you want to wear your belt. Yeah, is your preference. Yeah, but like just on a regular belt, I just get a belt size 34. 34. Yeah, because the 34, I don't like wearing tight jeans on my waist, so I already up 2 sizes. Cause I'm like if I want to wear like a fitting like jeans, I'll get a 32. Right. Yeah, but 30, I like 34 is like a nice fit. Yeah, like a loose fit. Yeah. So 34, 36, 38. So you went up 2 sizes. Yeah. All right. So with that being said, this BB belt that I have here is a 32. It's a size 32, and it fits pretty good. Fits well. I guess you would say it fits perfect. You know, BB belts, we feel like they look better when you wear them on the last hole, the tightest hole. That's what she said. So this is a 32. I went ahead and got this a 34. I wear a size 30 in belts. Regular belts is size 30. So I went a double size this time. This is 1 size up, and this is 2 size up. I am a size 30. This is a size 32, and this is a size 34. So me being 30, this is a 1 size up, 32, and this is 2 sizes up, 34. So I'm going to show you what the 32 and the 34 looks like, on waist. So you can make a decision if you're thinking about buying a BB belt, how you want it to fit. Let's go ahead and try these on, right? Yeah. Well, I also wanted to say,
I'm not too sure if every year BB materials change, that kind of thing. But I did want to point out that this is my old BB belt that I bought about a year ago. It has just BB Simon there. And I do want to show that this one is BB all over it. All over the buckle. Not just one time, but all over the buckle. You want to show yours as well? I think yours has it, right? Yeah. Can you... Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, you can catch that. So this one only has one logo, and this is multi logo. I like the multi logo, to be honest with you.
Cleaner.
It looks cleaner. It looks much cleaner.
Like for my bigger dudes out there ordering this belt, I recommend you go like maybe up to 6 sizes up. Like I was saying, it's better if you have more material. Cause I mean, I know nobody wants to put a hole in their BB belt, but like it's better if if your belt fits like. If your belt doesn't close, you're fucked. It's not like you can add more material, but
exactly.
If it's like a little longer, you could always put an extra hole in there.
Yeah.
If you really need to.
If you really need to.
Yeah.
And if you're worried about making the hole ugly, there's leather hole punchers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it can make a clean cut.
You can make a clean cut.
Is it my paranoia? What's scaring me inside? 'Cause I don't really know. We should escape all the city lights from this paranoia.
Mine has about this much space of strap, and with that being said, it's still kind of pretty loose, so I can still tie it up to the last very buckle, and this is what it looks like when you tie it on the very last buckle.
Yeah, now I see why they be sizing up, because it kind of do look more clean when it wraps. Like
yeah, when it wraps, when it wraps around, it's pretty clean. So this is a size 34.
Yeah.
2 sizes up from true to size, which is 30. And this is the smaller hole. I can wear it a little bit looser this way. Still looks clean. And let me go ahead and show you the 32 as well. Fully loaded. Putting this on. Here is the first hole. Here's the second hole. If I wanted to, I could put it in the second hole. And this is what it looks like. It looks fine. Right? This is where I usually wear it. A 32. Third hole. It has 5 holes. This is the third hole. Right? I cannot get this belt to the 4th or 5th hole like I can the 34. So keep that in mind. If you want it like this, go 1 size up. Go 2 sizes up, and make sure you just tighten your jeans up. And your jeans also play a part. If you have tight jeans that fit tight on your waist, your belt size is going to be more true to size. So this is what it looks like. So this is the extra part that sticks out. The only thing you have to worry about this part is when you move around, you damn near
whack somebody in the
cock smack with this, huh? Oh, bow, you know what I'm saying? Oh, whack somebody with this motherfucker. Check it out, check it out. Looks like. Trying my best without falling, guys. I'm sorry. My balance is pretty bad right now.
It's pretty loose right now.
Yeah, that's him.
And I'm looking kind of sagging. Like if you sag, you have you're supposed to size up like. So if you sag, you probably should size up 4 to fit like it does sizing up 2.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Especially if you got like you on the thicker side.
Yeah, if you have
like thicker legs, or a big butt for a guy.
Yeah.
Homo.
If you have glutes, big glutes, bigger glutes, you have to go. What do you think? Like 5 sizes up.
Yeah. And plus, if you sag.
So let me show you what it looks like when you sag, right? So this is me, right? No sag, right? Just pull him down a little bit. Let's say about what's the sag? Pull him more down. See, I can't
go all the way to the button.
Third is about as far as I can go. So me sagging is how my 32 fits normally without me sagging. Can't really tell if I'm sagging because I have all black, but definitely sagging here, okay? And it's squishing my fucking ass. You know, if I was to pull it up, normally it leaves about this much space. I can put my whole hand in there. So if you sag, it's about you know, a good bit of size up.
You know, she might. I mean, what?
You can just like move around a little bit, yeah, so you can like just part. Yeah, it looks pretty dope, legit. Yeah, so today's the 24th of April, and we have a extra surprise for you guys as well.
Yeah. These hoes came out today.
These came out today as well, the 25th of April.
24th.
24th of April.
Yeah.
I am dumb.
Yeah. the 11 Legend Blue lows. I'm looking starting to put all my friends on the lows because the lows get a lot of hate.
Yeah, the lows get especially like maybe like 4 years ago.
Yeah, the lows were like, oh man, nobody want to wear.
It's like ain't nobody want to wear the lows. And let me see, can I see?
Yeah.
I was actually thinking about getting these,
But the highs.
but the high tops for this belt. As you can see, you know, it pretty much kind of matches.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty short, not that tall. I'm 5'5". When I wear high tops, it makes me look even shorter. So I'm actually thinking about maybe just copying the lows instead of the high tops. So you know, it helps my body proportion.
I don't know if it shows up on camera, but the outside look matched the tent on your belt.
Does it?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like it's not like a straight white, it's like an icy white.
Yeah, like right here.
Like yeah, the tent kind of matches the belt.
It does match.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty much it for the video. We had the 2 BB belts unboxing. We had
the lows.
We had the lows, the 11 lows, and Old Faithful right here. Can't go wrong with it. Gold you already know. Gold is one of my favorite colors when it comes to clothing. I don't know why. I just really like it. You already know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. Hopefully it's not too long. But catch you on the next one. I think you should be inside of here.
From this